Jim's been waiting 248 days to ring that bell. I didn't know if his head was going to explode before he ever got the chance, but he finally got a chance to ring it. He's been waiting. So thank you very much, Jim. He didn't fall off the rocks, did he?
No.
Yeah, it's been 248 days since the first storm that took the building out. That end wall, the front, cracked this back wall, cracked that side wall, which offset and made it impossible to just put it back together. And so what we had to do was basically crib up the roof, jack it up a little bit, take all the brick out that were left, and they took those away, cleaned them. They took away all the bricks that we salvaged from the day of the storm, and they took those away and cleaned them. So we salvaged probably a good 2/3 of the brick so we could use them again. And that made a big impact on how the building went back together. He also reinforced it way beyond what it was before with fiberglass re-rod, stainless steel rod that goes from bedrock all the way up through to the beams. And hopefully the next storm doesn't take it out. I think and I hope that it'll still be there after I'm long gone. On behalf of the Parks Commission, Parks Commissioners Lori Mahan, Heidi Watton, past Commissioner Sandra Lane, who was still in office when the storm hit, we would like to thank everybody for coming. For Free Lighthouse Day, I'm glad to see a big turnout. The Select Board would like to thank them. Chad Hanna, Paul Yates, Christine Poland, Rachel Bizzarro, our town manager, for their support. We still haven't received any FEMA money or state money or any money from the town. This is a project, and all the repairs to all the parks property has been done by Parks Capital Reserve money. People I'd like to thank that really helped put this back together, our staff and maintenance crew, Steve Hendricks, Frank Mangoli. Is Frank here?
Frank is not.
Frank is not?
No.
Well, Frank has been with us 14 or 15 years. He's out with a stress fracture in his hip. He's missed most of the summer. And then everybody knows Jim. And Sean Hunter was also a big part of helping put things back together. The highway department. He helped us a lot at the beach and helped down here as well. The two masons that really did all the real hard work made it look like it was brand new again. With Larry Luce, Sam Smith were the two masons, and their two sons, Cody Luce and Andrew Smith. They were the tenders. They were the guys.
Do you want them to come up?
Yeah. So Larry, you here somewhere?
Here.
Larry and your crew? Come on up. We have a commemorative T-shirt.
Go up there, Larry. You're there, kid. Come on, you can do it.
So if you need a good mason, this is the guy. And then the construction part, the roof, the windows, putting the door back on, re-siding the lighthouse was D&D Construction. Dave Quinn, Don Samad. Guys, come up. Come up. Gage Boulanger, Gavin Reed, Dave's son. Dave, come up. Come on, Dave.
I'm trying to find sizes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Shelley has a shirt for you.
Sizes here.
These guys did a tremendous job. The damage to the back of the museum building was extensive enough so that we took the clapboards off, took the old boards off, and they, hard to believe, but there was no insulation in the back of the building, you know, built in 1827, so they insulated it, re-sheathed it, and re-clapboarded it, and then maybe in the near future we'll get them to continue to the peak. So they've done a great job on all the projects that they've worked on. Now, the beam. Everybody's excited about the beam. You can't see it from here, but this is the end it went in from. We lifted it up, slid it through, pinned it down, and then hung the bell. So we had a company that was gonna supply the bell, hang it, and I mean the beam, and supply the beam and hang it and the bell and everything. Well, the gentleman passed away about a month before we were ready to go. So then we're going, we got to find a new beam and a new contractor. So, but we have a local gentleman that has his own sawmill, has his own lot. Peter McCready, where are you? Peter sawed the tree down. Come on, Pete.
And Otto already has his shirt on.
Otto, his grandson. Otto was here.
Little Sawyer in training.
He helped saw out the beam. He helped saw out the beam. He was here the day we unloaded it. He was here the day we put it in. And his name and Pete, mine, and Steve burned into the beam up there. Nobody will remember us by the time that ever needs to be done again, but maybe Otto will still be around. Thank you, Otto. So then we needed somebody to lift the beam up and hang the bell and all that. So I contacted Round Pond Marine, Jamie Brinkler. Is Jamie here? He didn't know he was going to be able to make it, but Round Pond Marine supplied the truck and the manpower and brought the crane down and lifted the beam up, slid it into place, and then we hung the bell, and that was the end of getting the bell in place. And then the D&D had to go ahead and put the roof back on, re-sheathe it, re-shingle it, trim, all that stuff. It really fell together in a lot quicker time than we really had expected it to. 248 days from the storm. With the construction business as busy it is in this area, I was thinking probably next year before we'd ever get it done, because every contractor is at least a year out. But we were lucky enough to get Larry and his crew, D&D their crew. It worked out in our favor, so we could actually open the building on Lighthouse Day, statewide Lighthouse Day. And then one other person I want to thank, the artwork on these shirts that we had made up for the crew that worked on it, was done by Sally Caldwell Fisher. She is a local artist, and she donated the artwork to put on these shirts, and it was very nice of her to do that. So, with all that said, Cameron.
We're just gonna put her on the spot.
We just put you on the spot, Cameron. You can come and say something.
I'm not as tall as you.
Try not to ruin it. There you go.
Hi, everybody. I'm Cameron Rennie. I'm the state senator for this district, and likely all of your state senator. It's very exciting to be here. I did not expect to speak, but it's quite the honor. I cannot say how incredibly amazed and impressed I am at the with which the speed and quality of these repairs took place. It is absolutely amazing. And I credit that to all of us having such strong communities and people who are willing to pitch in so we can get things like this done so quickly. It's amazing. You should all be giving yourselves a huge round of applause, quite frankly. Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful historical landmark, and I appreciate everybody's hard work. That's all.
Thank you.
Okay.
I also want to thank the park staff, the people that keep the place looking really nice, all the trash picked up, all the buildings clean, all the parking lot clean. There's a lot that goes into it, and most people have no idea how big a job it really is. It's just when you come here, it always looks nice, and those are the people that really make this happen. Is the staff of the Parks Commission. All right. Go right out front.
Where?
Right out front, Heidi. There you go. You can hold that side.
We got some fun scissors.
Shelley even bought me a big pair of scissors to cut the ribbon with.
I mean, if we're gonna use a hatchet for the bell, we might as well use scissors, right?
This is in front of 100 people or more.
Do you suppose these really were?
Give him a shot.
You need a haircut?
1,
One here.
2, 3. Oh, you gotta hold it.
I gotta hold it just right. There we go. Ready, ready, ready. Hey!
You all buzzard. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job. It's officially happened.
So the building is officially open.
I'm too short for this. So for anybody who's interested, you know, we posted it on Facebook because everybody that came down said there looks something like there's different on the rocks, and they look different. So we posted on Facebook what the change was on it. So it's going to be hanging. Ultimately, it's actually going to hang in the bell house. But for today, it's hanging here. It's what happened to the rocks. How much got moved? The big one that moved was actually 775 tons. And it says how far they moved and all of that. And then for pictures of the damage and destruction and some screenshots from the waves, those are actually inside the first room of the museum. And in this back room of the museum over here is the videos for the waves. If you have not seen them yet, you should absolutely watch them. You will, if you haven't seen them, you'll be amazed. You would not believe how high up these waves came and how much power they were. So, and yes, I got wet, and yes, I was too close. Those are the two questions I always get. Both of them, yes, it was not smart. However, it was great videos. For the first one, I was right here. That was the Wednesday storm. The Saturday one, I got smarter and was on the porch. So anyway, thank you guys for coming, and it was a good time.